Embarking on your sewing journey? Let us at Wimmers Sewing and Vacuum guide you to your perfect first sewing machine. We understand how important it is to find the right match. From user-friendly features to durability and affordability, we have a variety that caters to your unique needs. Remember, a good sewing machine is not just a tool, but a gateway to endless creativity. So why wait? Give us a call at 800-659-3585 or visit our website. Let's turn your dreams into reality with your first sewing machine from Wimmers today.